Oh, we got double, nice. Oh, and? Holy crap, we got a triple pop. We got a triple pop as wifey was getting a drink, nice. Oh, so here we are. Another casino, the third casino of the day, back to the Magic Lamp. Wifey playing to the right of me, recording recording her bonus round on the phone over there. She's having fun over there. And we are too. Or we're trying to at least. Here we go. Okay. So let's start with how much? So 160. Not get too crazy to start. You did good though, wifey. Yeah. All yours. Okay, good. Fast, fast, fast. It's counting fast. Oh, we're gonna pop it right away. 3. Oh my goodness, all 3. Oh, do we get jackpot? It always delays so much. How is that not popped? Okay. I don't know what happened to the jackpot right there. That was an absolute fake out if I've ever seen it. No, you don't need to. I mean, you can. People like to see what the total was, so. And we're going to 240 because I'm already furious. We didn't get that triple pop somehow. Okay. So, did I say we're, oh, nice Elefante. So we're here at the Durango, you can see. It's beautiful, there's sunlight in. Loveliness. Where's the coins? Where's the gems, I should say? We had a premonition to come play this game after yesterday at the Luxor. Come on. Ignite. Okay, it's bigger. Oh, it did pop. Okay. Nice. Okay. Yeah. No, yeah. Well, I mean, it triggered from the thing. But the other ones look like they should pop. Wifey, you want to do your lucky wifey's good luck? Come on.
Your wishes bring riches.
Yes, they sure do. Okay. So let's get a few more pops inside of here. Okay. Let's push A button. P for pee-pee. Okay. Fast, fast, fast. We want to see the gems too. It's so fast. Now it's like fast, but like here's. I don't even want to say no more. Okay, there we go. Pop the double. We'd really want the double. We're waiting. We have all day. It's fine. We need to hit the ignite because that's Or sorry, the there it is. Okay, ignite. We'll see. Oh, what? It just made one bigger? What did it do? That's weird. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, it picks one to multiply by many. And that's pretty good. So 975. That's good. Oh, it keeps doing it every spin. That's crazy. Okay. So we want more spins right now, so it keeps doing it, right? Okay. Please, one more. You can land another one. Okay, thank goodness. Now we have more chances to keep igniting that massive one. Okay, keep it going. Okay. Pop that double, please. We want the double to go too. They all look pretty big, and the major looks mighty nice too. Okay. Hello, double. Goodbye, double. For now. Okay. So no other ones are really dropping, but I mean they were, but how much is it? Oh, it's multiplying it by the amount that it was originally. So it's 75 cents each time, or no more? Okay, well, we want 3 more, just regardless, so. Hello? It's gonna be hard to get one more, but we can do it. We can do it. Not yet. Okay. It's all ours. Fast. Okay. 41.25. Yeah, it was just a single pop, so it wasn't like. Okay, we appreciate it. That was good. Let's keep going. Let's see some back-to-backs up in here. That beautiful palace. Beautiful elephants, which we missed everything on. How? Okay. Should we switch up to 2 cents? Lucky 2 cents. So what is this? So 320 a spin. Random aces. Yes. I just wanted to pop every single time. It didn't. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Jackpot looks mighty ready. Is it? Yeah, okay. It looks ready, but it's not ready yet. Where are wilds? Okay. And there's a wild finally. But it's not worth that much, but good job. Okay. Excuse me for upping my bet, machine. I mean, come on. Excuse me. Yes. Pop it. It always looks like it wants to pop. We want to see all three of them. That'd be crazy, like we saw last. Yeah. The ignite is very good if you can get something else with it. Missing all these line hits. Okay. Kind of lame. On 2 cents. Let's go back to this. What were we betting? Start here. Ooh, almost 5. We got it. That's why I said hello. She's like, why'd you say hi to the dragon? I was like, I was trying to get her attention earlier. Okay, elephants. We want to see some more action here. Come on, Ignite, our old friend. Oh, it looks like it. This is the game that tricks you the most on whether the thing is gonna pop or not. Everything looks like it's gonna pop. If it does that like movement, you're like, oh. Not yet. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, we got double, nice. Oh, and? Holy crap, we got a triple pop. We got a triple pop as wifey was getting a drink, nice. All right, we stayed persistent and we did it. Okay, wifey, you know what to do. All right, wifey, let's go. Oh my goodness, we got the triple pop, people, finally. Okay, so pick a button to spin. P for PP. Oh my goodness, everything. Okay, I want to zoom out a little bit for this, right? What do you mean? It does everything at once. It's gonna be really, I mean, we need to get the other gems too. There we go. Come on. So now, yes, it's gonna pick to pump. I wish it did the $4 one. Grand, yes. Major. The major looks like it's quite ready to go, so. Okay. It's gonna pick another one now? So is the Ignite gonna pick another one? Yeah, okay. The 150. So does it always times it by 2 or what? Yeah, oh no, it doesn't. Okay, wow, okay. What are you guys gonna do? Times 2, the small one. The one bigger, okay, the $4 one, all right, that's good. Oh, and the $10 one, all right, we like that. I didn't even realize there was a $10 one in there. Oh, times 2 again. It times the $2, so it's $40 now. Go back to the 40, please. Oh, yes, it tricked me. Hey, keep coming out there. Oh, that's all you had? Ooh, indeed. Oh, okay, minor, all right. I'll take any of the progressives right now. So, there they are. I'm not being greedy, but you know which one we really want. Just land more. Yes, okay. Okay. The $40 one, okay, that's good. Oh, nice, it has an $8 one now. The $8 one's boosted. And what do we get here? Minor again. Okay, okay. Let's go.
Just get everything except for the M starting one.
Oh, okay. Okay, here we go, here we go. We're getting something here. Okay, fifth. Little bit. We could have gone to the $40 one. Imagine that. Okay, don't go to mini. Grand. Okay, that one's fine. That one's fine. Keep on going up there. That would be crazy to imagine. We have so many spots for it to drop. Come on. Hello? Don't do this to us. You know, it's hard to get these. Okay, okay, okay. I mean, we wanted the gems, but we got like a couple more chances now. Just one at a time. It kind of reminds me of the, what is it game? The train game. I forget what it's called. Okay, 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 okay. One more. It's gonna be, okay, don't, the grand, please. Oh, the mini, of course. If it was the minor, at least it gives us the minor, but here we are. That's where we are up there. Let's go, triple pop action. 2 more spins. Uh-oh, come on, come on. Gems. I am so sad, but that was awesome though. At least that $40 one got. None of those popped, yeah. Yeah. And we're 1 away from the grand still, so 130 bucks. We like it. All right, all right. I mean, it's awesome to get a triple pop. I'll obviously say that. Huge win. Triple pop, huge win indeed. Look at that. New camera, new luck, people. Thank you, wifey. We like it a lot. All right, what is that? So we're at 169. So we'll do 11 backup spins per the usual and see what happens, right? 1, 2. Yes. Oh, keep going. 3. Oh yeah, triple again, or double at least this time. Oh, keep going, keep going. It looks like it wants to. Okay. 4. Oh, where was that little beautiful palace? Number 5. Yes. Ignites. 6. Number 7. Whoa, that was Elefante. 7, 8. I didn't even see him down there. Number 9. Yes.
Crazy of it.
I know. 10 and lucky number 11, people. Oh, you have a chance on the last spin. Ooh, it looks like it wants to, but it didn't. But we had a lot of fun. Obviously, put in 100 bucks, made 56. We're down a lot more. We're down to like 60, right, or something. So it was fun to get a triple pop. Love this game. We'll be back for the next one. Thanks for watching.